Let's go for a cruise. Got the new tires on there. Brake system's working. Let's get her on the road. See what it'll do. Sounds good. Don't know which gauges are working, but I'm going to take her around the neighborhood. Brakes are good. Got good stopping on the brakes. I got to get them set, get the pads set. Feels like it's shifting good. Clutch feels good. Four-wheel drive's disengaged. Transfer case is doing what it's supposed to. I think we're looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, but we got a good road test. Number one, I will take it on more as I feel more confident with the vehicle.